Okay, so I went around, all the way past the community garden. I took a left at the end of the trail, and then now I'm on the opposite side. As you can see, right over here is the garden we just kind of came across. And you can see it in here, but I can see it from here where people are spraying with a hose, which is cool. Watering down their spots and their plant. But the main thing I wanted to show here is called Brook, which a lot of the inlets and kind of offshoots I come across. This is probably the largest, widest spot of it. Pan back towards here, going this way is where going back towards the main pond. So just on the other end where it kind of meets land over there, just to the right of that is back towards where the red bridge is, where we were right there. And cool. Back, go along here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it from here, but yeah, there's a little spot out here. Yeah, those little wood planks right out there. Any given time, you can see lots of different waterfowl will climb up on there and sun for a little while. And yeah, I've gotten some good shots over there, and then the thick area on the other side there is where the great blue herons will hide. I can actually, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but yeah, now the geese families are heading back out into the water. Very apropos. Okay, so we just headed northwest from back onto the main trail from where we took that little offshoot to show you the Fowl Brook and the opposite side of the community garden. So now we're coming across the Twin Bridge area. This is where a couple days ago I filmed the Cardinal taking a bath, which was right down here. Well, I got it from this second bridge, which I'll show you right now. I always come up on this bridge anyways too. Nice spot to relax for a second too. Yeah, that's the spot right here. What's going on? There's a little, it's like a sparrow. Right down, he's under here. A little too quick though. Oh, Cardinal. As if it heard us calling us, or us calling it. Been there. A little tough to see. Maybe he'll come out. There he is. Amazing, even how bright red they are. Once they get inside the thick green, they're tough to spot. So as a bonus here, I'm out at one side, what I usually call my magical spot. So much activity down here. It's very neat. You got a great blue heron perched way up high. They're looking for breakfast. And you got a lone Canada goose that frequents here. And if you could see earlier, that is one of our professional photographers that comes here regularly. Oh, yeah, that's a spot that usually I go to, but I saw her there and yielded. I always do. Alright, we're almost done with this adventure today. We started at about 5:10, maybe 5:15ish or so. Right now it's 7:30. Love the hues right now in the sky. The contrast kind of neat. So I'm back, almost back to the split. I've done like a full loop around with a couple little side trips, but now might be a little too bright, but pan over. Still on the Brook side, but just over there you see the split right there. That's where we took the sunrise shots this morning, over 2 hours ago. And you can see back the main pond. Another good spot here just to kind of get the bearings set. You can see different times of the year. You can see great blues, swans love this area, different kind of ducks. And if you catch it just right too, sometimes you can see yeah, there is a great blue way down here. There he is, or she. A lot of times you can catch red-tailed hawks flying overhead here. Alright, so we find ourselves back off the back trails. And now the split, that's where it continues along the main pond. See, a lot more people are out now. Almost nobody was out when I first started. There's the main pond right here. People out on kayaks. Across the split here, back where we just were. And down here, if you can see them now, a couple people walking dogs. Beautiful spot.
Great blue heron, kingbird, grackle, song sparrow.
And back at the car, you can see the large flock of Canada geese still here. You can see a lot more traffic now. And the spots. I just wanted to point out that I always carry a little bag with me, which I always have water, first aid kit, and almost always will have, just in case, I'll have like some aspirin if I need it, maybe an antacids, bottle, just in case. 'Cause if you're out for a couple hours and had acidic coffee, it can be a little uncomfortable, so you want to relieve that, so kind of neat. Alright, so back home now to get some breakfast and upload some of these videos.